Hey you guys, so a lot of ghetto things have happened. I deleted the first clip, which was only the clip of me trying to glue down my brows, which I'm not very good at, so you missed it. Now you needed to see. But if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Reese LaFleur, where the baddie of all trades does what? All trades. So this channel is always about fashion, hair, makeup, nails, all of the things that have to do with looking like a baddie. And if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you get notified. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. So let's get into this. So what you missed, or what I didn't say, was I put on some setting powder to set the glue that I put on that like I didn't do a good job anyway. And then I put on my Louise Base in the number, I'm going with 7. I'm feeling 7 with that. And I just tried to blend that out, and now I just prime my face. And now I'm going in with my foundation. Oh yeah. This is the Maybelline Superstay. I tend to use this foundation a lot. I actually like it. It tends to blend very well. So you want to go down and get the neck and all of that good stuff. So right here, my brows actually look pretty covered for the most part, but then something happened and then they start peeking through. But it's okay because I figured out a way to fix it for my way. So if you're not good at blocking out your brows, this is a good way to do it. And yes, I am sipping. That's dirty lemonade. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. Anyway, so I'm just going in with my Morphe Concealer, and I'm just going to put this in all of the places that you see me putting it, you know. My normal base routine, I am trying to like kind of contour a little bit up behind my eye to like pull my face or highlight it, and then when I contour, I want to still have that like kind of pulling my face to kind of give me that like slim, but even though Jessica Rabbit's face is already slim. Okay, if you didn't know, now you know. We're doing Jessica Rabbit. If the thumbnail didn't tell you, I'm telling you now. About 2 minutes, almost 3 minutes is the video. Child, I just can't. So I'm going in and I'm just doing that contour, and then I like to do that under like a highlight of the contour to make it look nice and sharp. I do this in my makeup. I got makeup on my AirPods, so I'm just gonna fix that because we listening to music. We bumping and grinding and bumping. No, we're not. So, and now I'm just going to grab some setting powder. I'm just gonna put it all over the places where I put the highlight. And literally, if you've noticed, my brows have just like peeked through. And it's crazy because I have thin brows and they're not that dark. So I got the idea to just like act like my brows weren't there. Like, let me just pretend they're not there. So I use my Louise Base in the number 2 and I just set it. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking, this is the JetAdore Beaute palette. And this is color, I believe this color is named Bronze. Don't think I'm about to be using every color name, but I feel like I just remember this one. And what I'm doing is I'm blending that shadow over my eyebrow in efforts to make my eyebrow like the top line of this, like her circle eyeshadow. You'll see what it does when we get to it. So this is another way if you're not good at blocking out your brows. So I'm taking another color, and this is like a deeper purple. I told you I wasn't gonna remember all these names. Like, told you. And told you. You know what? Maybe no. I almost tried. This is like, I want to say Isis. I'm lying. I know I'm lying. I don't even know why I said a name because waste of time, y'all. Anyway, so then I'm going with the next purple color. And as you can see, that my brow is starting to look somewhat of like a crease on an eye, you know? Do you see it? Do you get the illusion? Because when you're doing makeup, especially if something messes up, you have to trust the process. You have to keep going. Do not start over. Keep going because it's just makeup. And if you need to take it off, you can. So this is like this violet-y kind of purple, like shimmery kind of moment. I thought this would look good in the middle, in the center of that eye to just make it pop a little more because the dark sides of her eyes is really like dark the outside of her eyes is really darker than the inside kind of like pops out. So I wanted to go for that, but I wanted this purple to completely match my gloves. So yeah. So now what I am doing, and this is what helped it look like my brows were gone a little more, was I took that same P. Louise base and I'm just going to create that shape. Just make sure it's a nice clean shape because her eyes are just a clean cut shape. So I'm just going in, I'm blending out that P. Louise base into a circular kind of half moon kind of thing to give me that look that I'm trying to look for. And yeah, it looks better. You can barely tell my brows are there. When I put in my fake brows, as you'll see, I'm using my same Morphe pomade. Now with the brows, I would suggest not going as deep in the inside as I did, because it tends to give you like the angry eyes look. So I look a little more angry, you know. Jessica Rabbit, she got the sharp brows now, but her brows are just usually thin lines. And again, I shouldn't have gone in that close because I'm giving you Cruella de Vil, but Cruella de Vil was a baddie too. So what's up? What's up? Who gonna jack me? Who gonna jack me? And then I'm just going to go in with that 7 P. Louise base and just going to clean that up just a little bit, not too much. It's pretty much a perfect straight line. I'm shocked I did that so perfectly when it comes to the, yeah. What is wrong? Okay, so now I'm going in with my Morphe Contour palette, and I'm just going to contour some more because we're going to the face. Oh my god. So I try to snatch my nose as much as possible. She doesn't really have a nose, so you know. So I'm going heavy on the blush. I feel like back in those days, women wore so much blush, but you know. Oh my god, fun fact, this movie actually came out on my birthday in 1988. I wasn't born yet, but that was the day I was born, so it came out, you know. The baddest bee was, you know, this was meant for me. That's what I'm saying. That's just the point of that. Okay, so now I'm just putting on my liner. Liner, liner, liner. Okay, so that's pretty much it on that. And then I'm grabbing my JetAdore Beaute lashes, which I actually put the lashes on like the outside a little bit of my eye, just a tad, to give off like a longer eye because my eyes aren't that long. But now I'm going in with my Ramona Joan Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Carrie. And then I'm going over that to make it more red with my Dose of Colors. I think it's called Red. So I really am liking my makeup now. I finally am like, all right. So then when I took my hair down and I saw that line, I was like, who you? So I just started to blend that out. I'm adding 2 different brushes to kind of like blend it so just it doesn't look like a harsh line. And that was easy. So now I'm just going to spray my face, and then we're going to start styling my hair. I'm using a hot comb, and then I'm going to use a wand curler. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to brush it because she doesn't really have any parts. It's kind of like just like this high up brush back thing. So I'm just going to, yeah. She's actually a natural kind of redhead color, not this kind of redhead color, but I find that this red just looks really cute with the costume. So I'm using this, and then I'm just going to start curling. Like, have you ever seen somebody curl before? I actually do have a wand curl tutorial on my channel. If I can find that, I'll probably put that in the cards, just in case you don't know how to wand curl. But I'm just going to move like super quick through this because, you know, I'm just curling and kind of like, I'm just trying to create some body in the hair, some uniform body, because those waves that I pulled it out the bag, they're just not giving me what I need. Okay, so I started combing it out, and then I'm just going to start taking my hot comb and just combing down any flyaways. I'm just going to style it. As you can see, I'm just going to play with it a little bit so it does what I want. The freeze spray I put in was supposed to like keep it up, which it did for the most part. But this hair, I don't know, maybe because I ain't really put no product. It's trying to fall really fast. But so now I'm just going to change. Ooh, put it on my last glove because I can't do anything with my glove. So yeah. This is the final look, you guys. I actually love how it came out. I think I look super, super, super bomb. There's some things I want to work on, but for the most part, this is a super easy costume if you're interested in looking like a baddie. Here we go. This dress is from Amazon. The gloves are from Amazon. I think the dress was like $40. The gloves were like $10. Not a bad costume, you know, and the dress you can rewear again another time. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.